Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add or delete users from Google Analytics. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to analytics.google.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register, of course, if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home, we have the reports, explore, and advertising. And also we have in the bottom left corner, we have the admin panel. In the top right corner, we have some more things about your account. But guys, now let's see how you can actually add or delete users from Google Analytics. So first of all, what you need to do in the account property or view column, which you can go by clicking on basically on your admin panel, which is in the bottom left corner. And here you have your properties, as you can see, or the account, of course. You can go and or view column, you can click access management. So basically on either of these, you can go and click on access management. And then when you did that, guys, what you need to do, of course, is go and use the search box at the top of the list to find user you want. And then just enter for full or particular or a partial address. For example, we can click on janedoe@gmail.com or Jane Doe just. And then select this checkbox for each user you want to delete, click remove, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And as always, guys, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.